Hey guys, I'm back with another episode. How do you rotate? And today, guys, it's special episode. We do how do not rotate. Um, I forget the name. Anyways, guys, the super wise and powerful and sexy Bosnia, which was kind enough to give me a piece of paper from spellbook to do powerful knot rotation. And how you do knot rotation, guys, you do oops, that's missed. Anyways, guys, you do normal rotate four times. So guys, let's get started. I need to also unrelated to Basio, which I want to say I am not in captivity. I'm not in danger. Don't come looking for me. I'm okay, guys. I'm not kidnapped. I'm definitely not kidnapped, guys. Don't worry. That video where I kidnapped, that was a joke, guys. Anyways, guys, uh, let me do the spell. O, Joey, demoni pakla, dopustite mi da iskoristim moći bijelog teza, da izvršim ovu moćnu rotaciju. Nudim se kao plovilo, ispuni me njegovom snagom. Guys, I did it, guys. I did not rotate, guys. Okay, guys, that's in the video. Vidite li bosansku vješticu? Možda sljedeći put mogu dobiti cijelu knjigu. Ovo je bilo jako zabavno, zar ne?